How you doing? Are you ready for bath time? Okay. Hey everyone. A company just sent me and Pepper some dog grooming stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and review that today, as well as giving Pepper a bath. So it is bath day for Pepper. She's been rolling around in a lot of stuff. Plus, it's just that time during spring where she starts to shed. It's always a good idea to give her a bath, help work some of those shedding hairs loose, and give her a good brush out. Now, she hates baths, but she's trying to be a little trooper today, so we'll go ahead and try to make this as painless as possible. I did fill up the bath with some nice lukewarm to warm water. I actually make mine a little warmer because she is a small dog and gets cold easy. So let's get started. So this company reached out to me from Amazon and asked if Pepper would be interested in some new shower accessories and shower tools. I said sure. So this is what they sent me. This is the Bleds dog and cat grooming kit. It comes with 2 bath gloves or dry brush gloves, as well as, I guess this is a flea comb. So we'll go ahead and we'll set this aside. Now, since it's a really nice 2-pack, I'm actually going to use one for this bath and then see how the other one does later on, just as a normal dry brushing. But it's supposed to pick up hair on your dog, on your carpet, or on floors, soaks stuff up too. Soft, eco-friendly rubber tips to help relax your pet. Soothing, comfortable, and all pets love it. Pepper, do you love this? Do you love it? Do you? Now, it's good for all types of pets: dogs, cats, rabbits, and horses. Personally, I've seen these types of gloves before used for cats, pretty popular. And it removes shedding hair, tangles, and knots. Now that's what I'm really concerned about today, because it is shedding season and she is shedding. So I want to get some of that excess hair out gently. Don't try to force groom your dog or cat too often. It's actually bad for them. But if the hair is already loose, let's go ahead and try to knock it out by using this little hand glove thing. Now, right off the bat, what I do like about this, I just noticed it as I was removing the rest of the packaging, is it has this little secure Velcro. So since I have kind of chubby hands but very small wrists, I can go ahead and put this on. Probably keep this hand free so I can hold on to Pepper. And this will be the hand that I use while I bathe her and stuff. So that's pretty convenient. It stays on. I don't have to worry about it flopping around in the tub or falling down into the tub like my cup that I'm using to bathe her with today. So we'll go ahead and continue shampooing her and see how this works. I have my shampoo and warm water mixture, and I got this glove. So now what we're going to do is try to get Pepper to move. Come on, move over here. Come on. There we go. We're going to pour the shampoo mixture on her back. No. Ugh. Okay, we'll continue pouring on her back. And this side's supposed to help work up a lather and massage the dog. Let's see how that works. Oh yeah, that's good. Did you get the camera wet? Huh, that's really cool. It's definitely working up a lather, which is nice, because normally I do this with my hands. It's a little cumbersome trying to get her fur to work up a lather. I don't see a lot of hair pickup on this side, but again, it is doing at least one thing I really wanted it to do, which was work up that lather. I'm still gonna have to use this hand to work the rest of the lather throughout the rest of her fur. So like her tail and up in here. Actually, let's see what happens. Pepper, come here. All right. Okay, it does work, but I think she's annoyed by how big it is. So this would probably work great on like a medium to large size dog. Now this is a flea comb. Pepper doesn't really have fleas right now. Occasionally, since we go hiking, she might pick up a stray flea. I don't know with her coat if I should be using this in the tub. I'm just gonna use it once or twice. Oh wow, it's definitely raking that shampoo up. Yeah, I don't really see any fleas or anything. A couple of hairs, but I can tell she doesn't like it while she's wet, so we'll probably try this again when she's dry. I'm surprised that even with her wet fur, it is pretty much gliding through very well compared to other brushes. So I did go ahead and pour some more water on her and change the direction that I'm using this glove just to see if it would pick up some hair while she's in the bath. And it's funny because the smooth microfiber look inside is actually causing more lather, which is good. But the more I brush her, it is picking up, I don't know if you guys can see, it's got some of her normal hairs, but then there's those little tiny soft hairs that she's shedding out for the summer. That's really cool. So, and I did have to switch the direction I was wearing the glove, so yes, this is my right hand, but I need this hand for the camera. So overall, I'm actually really happy with these gloves. She's pretty miserable taking a bath, but she does like getting petted with this side, so that's always nice. But yeah, these Bleds Pet Grooming Gloves, they're really good. So I hope you guys like this little review and just initial impression. I'm going to try these again later and see how they work dry, you know, just between baths. Well guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these gloves in the comments below. I'll put a link to these gloves on Amazon, and thanks for watching.